Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Okay, if it's your first time, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to accumulate your MTN bundle with low prices. Okay, you don't need to spend more money before get a big data bundle. Okay, just follow. Let us get on the business. First of all, I have to take my balance. Okay, I have to take my balance. I have it remain about 1 CD, and my data bundle is 204.07 megabytes. Okay, so how to accumulate it with low prices? So watch the video carefully. Okay, *5 6 7 *1 *1 *2 hash. Okay, so you rush it. So select the lowest amount. Okay, the lowest amount here is 0.07. okay, so send it. Now option 4, that depends you, but I choose the option 4. Okay, so what is from RTI? So as you can see, I have purchased for 0.07 megabytes. So let us take it. So guys, as you can see, I accumulate my data bundle. Okay, you can do it as many times you want. So buy a big bundle from MTN with low prices. You can do it again. 5 6 7 *1 *1 *2 hash. So select the lowest amount. Okay, 0.07. So option 4. Okay, send. Buy from item shown. Let's take it up. As you can see, my data bundle was 204 megabytes. So as you can see, I accumulated a big bundle. As you can see, right now I'm at 214.85 megabytes. You can do it as many times you want. So thank you guys to watch my video. If you like it, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to not miss any notification from this channel. Bye.